Please accompany us.
Soba
Please.
nenkonzo enkulu eThekwini.
We'll have a big service in Durban.
1 May usuku bonke.
The 1st of May, the whole night.
Ngizobe ngithandazela
I'll
abantu
be praying for
baseDurban.
people of Durban.
Inkonzo
It's a service
yokwembulwa
to remove
kwengubo yobumnyama.
the blanket of darkness.
Especially siyagcina ke namhlanje.
Special is ending today.
Okusuka kusasa especially sika 350.
The special of 350 is no more from
Iwasho
today.
zonke ngibuyela back.
The products are going back to the normal
Endaweni
price.
yazo.
The normal
Siyagcina
price.
namhlanje
We are ending today.
especially sika 350.
The special of 350 is ending today.
Sibonga bonke omama ababakhona ngolesine.
Thank you
Siyabona
to
abantu
all the
bayakhona
women
ngolesine.
that are here on Thursday.
Siba nomthandazo.
We have a service of prayer.
Njalo
Every
ngolesine
Thursday,
siba nomthandazo.
we have
Ungahlali
a
phansi.
prayer. Don't stay at home.
Sibonge nobaba bonke.
Thank you to all the men
abahamba umthandazo.
that also come into that
Siphinde
service.
sazise bonke abantu baseThekwini namaphethelo.
Durban and surroundings.
Umprofeti usethole islot kwi-Inanda FM.
The prophet has found a slot in Nanda FM.
uDJ angamchazela ukuthi ungena la.
DJ
DJ asebona DJ lokho ungena ukulalela ngithi uyalalela wena.
You listen.
Abantu zobachazela.
You'll
Ukuthi
explain.
mawufuna ukulalela izwi lomzansi
If you
FM.
want to listen to Israel
Nanda FM.
Nanda FM,
Cishe nje next month
next month,
ngizobe ngizwakala kuInanda FM.
I'll be heard on Nanda FM.
Ngiqalele kodwa ukuzwakala manje.
I've already begun to
Njengamanje
be heard.
kuyamenyezelwa
Right now they're announcing
ukuthi ngizobe ngiseThekwini
that
Inanda
I'll be
FM.
doing Nanda FM
Nezwi lomzansi.
and Israel.
Iyakhula inqabeni iyaphambili.
Mother is growing and going forward.
Uthi ubaba wami kamoya
My spiritual father says,
mina owangilanda
the one who fetched me,
ithi inyanga yezulu
he says,
sengubasile umlilo ngibe ngibona
I've
ukuthi
already made the
bayophisha.
fire. I will see who's going to light the fire.
Sengubasile umlilo
I've already made the fire.
ngibe ngibona ukuthi
I will
bayophisha.
see who will put out the fire.
That's from today.
The
Umlilo base uyavutha
fire is burning at home.
bayasha abathakathi.
Missions are burning.
Umlilo wasenqabeni uyasha
Fire of Ekabel is burning.
uyavutha umlilo.
It's burning.
Uyavutha umlilo.
It's burning.
Sengathi ungasho ukuthi uyavutha umlilo.
The fire is burning.
Usubasiwe umlilo.
The fire is
So
burning.
lesibona ukuthi
We
ubani
will see who
oyophisha.
will put it out.
Oyophisha uzongena phakathi.
Who will put it out when
Wathi uyawuphisha uzosha.
they're going to be
Awu
burned.
nasi nami uyangizwa
I don't
lemntana.
know if you hear
Ngithi
me.
umlilo
The fire.
sengubasile
I've
na.
already made
Ngithi
it.
ngiyabona ukuthi ubani
See who will
oyophisha.
put it out.
Othi ufuna ukuphisha uzosha.
The one who's going to put it out will burn.
Emshilo ingelosi isho
The
njalo.
angel said so.
Uzosha.
They will
Sanibonani.
burn. Greetings.
Sanibonani.
Greetings.
Yaze nabahle.
You're beautiful.
Nabahle emhlabeni.
You're beautiful in
Oh,
God.
inkosi inkosisi.
God bless you.
Baba abe nani.
Father be with you.
Wankosisi ubaba.
The Father must bless you.
Inkosi ke nani.
The Lord be with you.
Inkosi inkosisi.
God bless you.
Nginohambo ke lolo bakwethu.
I have that journey.
Ngicela nisonke
I'm asking all
sibuqele ngithandazise.
and pray for me. Let us all bow down.
Ngiyathemba uthandazo wenu.
I pray, I hope that